All right, everybody. Gonna do a little trap prepping today. Holy cow, I gotta get going. It's almost the middle of September and I got a lot to do here. I got all my coyote traps in here. I got them all on 6 per hanger that I use. I've showed videos of how to make those out of bucket handles. They work really well, but I know there's quite a few in here that are probably missing their anchors. There's a couple new ones there that I put a little bit of rust on. So whenever I get these all, I'm going to get them out here on the driveway, pressure wash them all off, and then I'm going to take them in and tune them and put anchors on the ones that are missing them. Get the pan tension set up. I got videos on all that and how I do that if you want to go back and check that out. And then I'm going to hopefully get them all dipped today. That would be great if I could get this all done in one day. So it's going to be a long day, but stay tuned. I'll try to show you some cool stuff along the way here. All right, so I got them all laid out here. Like I said, there's a couple new ones that don't need it. There's about a half a dozen or more of some that were dipped last year and must not have seen any action, so I'm not even going to bother with them. And while I had them out here, I figured out, might as well get out my dog proofs as well. So got all the dog proofs laid out here, and gonna pressure wash them off. There's still some old cat food and stuff like that in them, so. Alright, I hope you can see this here, everybody. Got my cable here for making wolf fangs. I got it marked on the bench here, how long I cut them. Got new wolf fangs, couple bags of those. I got my double ferrules. Got some swivels. This one here I pulled the whole chain off of, so I'm going to put a new chain on and another swivel and a wolf fang. This one's just missing the wolf fang, so I'll get that on there. I'm just going to bring them in a half dozen at a time. Like I said, I got them on these hangers. Bring them in a half dozen at a time, go through them, see what they need, check the pan tension. Some of them need the dogs straightened back out. I got this nice tool here. It's very cool for if you gotta adjust your pan height. It's a very nice tool. I just got that last year and I wish I would have never went as long as I did without it. Got my J-hook tool, pan tension tester. So I'm all set up here and getting ready to start ripping them out. Hopefully get them done and then get them dipped. So stay tuned. All right, everybody. Got the traps all tuned and everything, new anchors, new everything that needed addressed, pan tension, everything, dogs. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention is when you're going through your traps, make sure they all have tags on them. There was a lot I had to replace tags, my trap tags on, because some of them do fall off. So same method as last year. Got a half a dozen of them on one of my hangers that I make from the bucket handles. Dip them down in there, get the anchors, get swivels, get everything, pull them on out of there, let them drip off, I've had the same bucket of dye or dip. It's speed dip with the gas. Some people don't like it, but I've had the same bucket for 3 years. This is the 3rd or 4th year I've been using that. And hang them up there, and then this is where they're going to stay outside until trapping season comes. They won't, then I'll put them in a sealed up tote for trapping season. We got quite a few left here to go, but just wanted to show you how I'm doing it. I've did videos of it before, so go back and watch those, but I really have good success with this. And you can see some of these got brand new wolf fangs on them, brand new tags. That's why at least I'm getting it done today. This is the last. This needed to get done. This is almost the middle of September, and I would like to do it sooner than that if I would have had time. And that's why I want to stress to you younger trappers or people that say that the speed dip stays tacky. You want to do this. You want to give yourself a couple months to have it ready, you know, and let them hang out, let them air out. You don't want to do it last minute. So next thing I got to do after I get all these done is start waxing dirt. I got 18 buckets of dry dirt and 65 pounds of wax at home, so that'll be the next project, and that's going to be a big one. So appreciate y'all watching. This is just the way I do it. Some people like to do it a different way. You know, I'm just trying to help you out, and if this helps somebody, then good enough. So I'll hang them up in a second. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all your support. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because there's going to be a lot of trapping coming pretty soon. There's a lot of trapping from last year that if you've missed that, go back and watch it. But, it's going to be a good year, I think. So thanks for everything. Give me a thumbs up, and until the next video, good luck with everything.